All right, today we're going to be looking at special products. So once you get your foldable glued in, I need you to go ahead and write on your paper, special products. You should remember that products means multiplying, so we're still going to be multiplying. So let's go ahead and look at the first flap, a plus b squared. This is not putting the square on both terms. This is doing a plus b times a plus b. So a plus b times a plus b, okay? That is what a plus b squared means. So let's look at an example. Find the product of 3x plus 4 squared. So again, this is equal to 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. So I'm going to first distribute the 3x to both terms, and then I'm going to distribute the 4 to both terms. So I end up with 3x times 3x plus 3x times 4. Now I got to multiply the 4 to both terms. Positive 4 times 3x and positive 4 times 4. So when I go ahead and do this multiplication, I get 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 16. My last step is to combine like terms. I have two x terms, so those are going to go together. And I get 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. And there's the answer. So you notice both of these came out to the exact same number. So the generic form for when you see something like this is a squared x plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Now you don't have to remember this, you just need to know how to get here doing this math. If you can do it with distribution property, then you're fine. Second example, a minus b squared is a minus b times a minus b. Let's take a look at this one. This is going to be 5m minus n times 5m minus n. And I'm going to distribute the 5m to both terms and the negative n to both terms. So I will have 5m times 5m plus 5m times negative n. Then I'm going to multiply negative n times 5m and negative n times negative n. This gets me 25m squared minus 5mn minus 5mn, and then negative n times negative n is positive n squared. If I combine like terms, I have 25m squared minus 10mn plus n squared. Very similar to the one above, except the center term is negative. So the generic form for this one is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And the final example, a plus b times a minus b. I'm going to distribute this x to both terms. X times x plus x times negative 3y. Now I'm going to multiply this 3y by both terms. It's a positive 3y times x and a positive 3y times negative 3y. When I do that multiplication, I get x squared minus 3y, 3xy, plus 3xy minus 9y squared. Now when I combine like terms, negative 3xy plus positive 3xy is 0. So I'm left with just x squared minus 9y. The generic form for this is then a squared minus b squared, because the two middle terms cancel out. A squared minus b squared. And that's it for special products.